Alright guys, we're back in the field working on the old CRV. Again, it is a little windy, so hopefully you can hear me. And sorry for wind noise. Working on the CRV, getting the seats out. And hopefully the rear panels and seat belts. So I didn't know CRV seats were weird. And I've never taken out a back seat of a CRV. So yeah, it's different. If you don't know who these guys are, repping the old AutoSauce today. Oh yeah. But yeah, we're gonna take out these seats. Okay, they're like metal framed, not attached. I guess to get height. Little pull tabs that open up to a plastic cover. And I thought I took the cover off already. See what's under that? These fancy steel frames. So hopefully they won't be too difficult to take out. Alright, so that wasn't too hard. You have to make sure you pull those out. There's a bolt there. You gotta pop off the caps in the front. There's two bolts down there. There's one here in the crack right there. All 12s. And then the weird part was this. You actually have to use this to unhook it off of there. It's like a secondary safety on top of the bolts that hold in the seat. So that was kind of weird to mess with. But it's not too hard once you figure it out. So that's that. Found trash, gum, fishing lures, eye drops, a bolt, nuts. It's kind of gross. There's a few pubes, a few dog hair. You know the Mighty Car Mods way. You find all the good stuff this way. So those panels come off right there. So if I can get the seatbelt off right there. And on this side, hopefully I can pop those panels off and see what's going on with those. Get them out of the way. I am saving the seats. They are, like I said, in really good shape. Got them on cardboard, got them stacked. I'll put them in the container. I've been working on the container, trying to get it ready. I got lights and everything over there. So hopefully tonight I can work on the engine, because I need to get that done, because I need to get it running and swapped to make sure it's good to go. And then put a turbo on it and then take it to Mississippi and race it. So a lot to do, not a lot of time. I'm gonna try to take out these front seats. I'm assuming there's little clips down there covering the bolt holes. Pop those off. Hopefully 12mm again. Take out the seats. Alright, well, I guess the camera quit, but I got that side off. I didn't break any of the top tabs, so the piece is still good. Got the belt out. It was really easy, actually. Hopefully it won't die on this next side. And it was easy to strip the CRV. Alright, it was that easy. Only a couple minutes. So hopefully the tops just pop out. Might have to just pop out the struts up there and hoping the rest comes out. off a door panel. It should be straightforward. Bolts here, here, and here, and one on the handle. We'll see how hard it really is. Alright, it was a success. Door panels are off. Got the door panels. Let's take out the old cool tray here and the front passenger seat, because who needs the passenger? Even though I might still take it, but I want to take them out so I can take the carpet out. But that way people can ride. Or we just sit them in the back and they can sit on the metal and have fun, right? So let's take out these seats. I popped these covers. See over there, covers. Cover right there, cover right there. They just pop off, bloop, and then they will come off. I'm curious of the bolt pattern. I wonder if what seats will bolt into this. If okay, that is much better. Now let's figure out this. I think these covers come off, and then there's a bolt on both sides down here. Hopefully it's true. I don't know, we will find out here in a second what is true or false. But they're gonna say, man, this thing is clean. Look at that carpet. Minimal stainage. If you think about being a 98, being 21 years old, this is clean. Okay, there's the pieces. Anybody want a CRV dingleberry here? Little pop-up tray. I'll get you the brackets, I'll get you everything. It works. It's a little dirty. I'll sell it to you. I don't need it. I don't need it. Let's do it. Buy it. Alright guys, we're in the stripped CRV. We're missing a few things. Yeah. Where's the car? So I'm just going to pull it up to a place to get it ready to pull the motor. I need to do that sooner than later. So when the motor's done, I have to take parts off of this to finish the other motor. So I definitely have to pull it before I finish the other one. So we're going to pull it over closer. Put a piece of plywood down. You have an engine hoist here. Hopefully we can make it work. Let's do it. Let's see if this sucker runs. Haven't started for a while. Oh, like a glove. You break off. Oh, there we go. There we go. Clinkety, clunkety, clunkety. You got to park next to the trailer, hopefully for wind blockage. I'm going to put a piece of plywood right here. So that way we can almost make a walkway all the way over to that piece of plywood and get it all done. I've been thinking about the front end, what I should do with it. Keep it sleeper or make it race car. I'm not sure yet. We'll see what kind of time we got. And yeah, we're gonna get her all fixed up. Hot dang! Alright guys, that's where I'm gonna end today. That's some good progress. Got the interior stripped. I want to try to take out the rear windows, I think, and the back windows and motors. Cut out all the sheet metal if I can get to it. Put plexiglass in, because why not? Make it lighter, and we'll see how that goes if we get to it. First thing, we just gotta get running. We gotta get the motor done. We gotta get it turbocharged. We gotta make sure it runs and dries, and we get it broken in. So that's the biggest thing. I got a few parts for the engine still out. I don't have yet, but they're coming. So make sure you tune in, you like and subscribe, because there's definitely more to come on the CRV Turbo race car build. It's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be awesome. Again, till next time.